Hello, my name is Tim Cunningham. I am the National Sales and Product Manager for Forest River Berkshire Diesel Motorhome Division. Today we're going to be talking about and going over and seeing our brand new 2021.5 Berkshire 39A bath and a half floor plan. All right, let's start. Okay, so again on the front of it, again this is our traditional front cap for the Berkshire 39A in general with the Berkshire deal. Again, you're going to have your nice AK generator slide out right here. Actually, I'm going to pull it out right now with that lever. It's nice because it pulls out very easily. It's an 8K generator. You're going to have the two 15,000 BTU ACs that go along with it, but I think we do a really good job of how we organize and do the front cap on here too with the wiring and whatnot. It's very accessible and again user friendly because you have that nice 2-inch steel firewall on the front of it as well. You're going to have your traditional headlights or windshield wipers here. Again, as you can see, the standard feature of a Berkshire is again that top drop-down mirror. Great for your vantage point. The camera is in the mirror. It's going to pop up there on the center screen as you turn on a turn signal either way. You're going to have a nice Diamond Shield name brand protective film here on the front. Again, it's good for protecting rock chips and things like that. One of the best features on this too is that you're going to have, again, the 30-inch entryway. It is very big. You have a nice, robust, sturdy door here, really going to help with the air noise dampening as you drive down the road as well. Part of the convenience package that you do get onto Berkshire as an option is going to be this keyless entry. You're also going to get a Wi-Fi extender, a 100 watt solar panel, and then a tuner for the cockpit stereo. But again, it's part of that optional convenience package. Getting in here to your campsite and your first compartment bay, as you're going to have the stackable storage right here. As you can see, there's another set of tiles as well. Now you're getting into your main storage. Again, that's going to be all pass-through storage on this raised rail chassis. Again, it is a 360 horsepower, 3,000 Allison transmission, 10,000 pounds of towing. Here you're going to have your first main slide tray. Again, that's going to come out on either side. You're also going to have your exterior entertainment center here. That is a standard feature with the TV and soundbar. And then coming back here, again, your last main pass-through storage bay. As you can see, one of the benefits of the 39A too is you have this nice campsite awning. It is a motion sensor. You have a nice light here again, but it does a really good job of hugging it because you do have this nice full wall hydraulic slide. As you get back in here, you're going to have your two 12-volt chassis batteries. There is a disconnect in there for it as well too, so you can cut off all power if you put it into storage. Again, a little bit more storage here. It's good for any liquids or fluids that you carry along with you. And then even more storage back here. And then you are going to have the Truma on-demand hot water heater. This is going to run off the LP system. Again, it's very efficient for your hot water. About 1 gallon of LP gets you roughly 3.5 hours of continuous hot water. So with the 24.5 gallon tank, you have plenty of capacity with it overall. Okay, so as you walk into Berkshire, the nice benefit is you have this very large entryway. As you get into it now, as you're going to see new for 21.5 is going to be this nice passenger workstation. Again, it's very functional, flexible because you can break it down into many different ways for storage. Transitioning over here, again, it's going to be this nice, awesome cockpit. Again, you're going to have your digital OptiView screen from Freightliner. You're going to have a lot of the hands-free controls here on the steering wheel. Just makes driving that much more comfortable and convenient. Over here, you're going to have your wireless charger for your cell phone, and then your equalizer controls for your hydraulic jacks. And then again, you have really good ease of reach all to your buttons, your night shades up front, and then this nice 10-inch radio. Again, that's more of an Android-based system too. So there's a lot of flexibility and functionality with that. As you can see, we have this nice drop-down bed. Being 6 feet tall, still have plenty of clearance. You barely know it's there, but it's a good additional storage or sleeping space too. And a lot of times people can use it for storage. They take the mattress out, so it's got good flexibility. So in the 39A, one of the best benefits is again, it's going to be very open and spacious. You're going to have the sofa seating arrangement. You're going to have your theater seats over here. That's the option. You're going to have this nice big pop-up TV and soundbar. You have storage, your matrix system here, for your electronics, and then also your DVD player. Very functional and practical. Again, you can put the TV up through a button here, but really, you know, it's nice you have this deep storage overall, and they are these nice soft closed drawer glides. Getting back into here again, now you're going to have your nice booth. You can get a freestanding table and chairs into 39A, but with this booth, there's plenty of storage underneath it as well. So that's somewhat the benefit of a booth nowadays. Coming over into the kitchen area, first thing you have here is this nice little extension, more countertop space, which you can never have enough. It just slides back in. Again, plenty of cabinetry storage up here. You have a nice farmhouse sink in here. And then new for 21.5 is you're going to have this induction cooktop. And then you're going to have your nice convection microwave. And again, plenty of storage down here below as well. You have your nice fireplace too. And then again, another additional TV in this positioning. So plenty of options. Nice residential refrigerator. You're also going to have, at this point, all the controls electronically for your ACs, your slide outs, your power systems and whatnot, all accessible there. A lot of it can be done on your phone as well. Getting back here, you're going to enter, you know, the half bath, the benefit of the 39A. And then coming over here, you're going to have a nice pull-out pantry. And again, the nice thing is when you're looking in this into Berkshire, it's all solid hardwood cabinetry throughout, even into the pantry. So really, there's not a corner cut. As you turn around into here, you're going to have plenty of wardrobe space that goes all the way through for all the items and whatnot that you need. You're going to have a nice king-size bed as well. And new for 21.5 is you're going to have the bedroom ceiling fan. Getting into the back bathroom, you're going to have your nice fiberglass shower, plenty of wardrobe space back up here for linens and towels. You're going to have your stackable washer and dryer, that's an option. And then because it is a bath and a half at the rear bath, you are going to have this nice macerator toilet back here that sends all the ways forward for one black tank.